To inspect and adjust the drive belt deflection on your 650 Titan Adventure, follow these steps. Before performing this procedure, always make sure both clutches are at rest in their full neutral position. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface and remove the key. Next, remove the left side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Now, remove the spare belt holder by releasing the latch and pull away from the retention tab. Then, place a straight edge on the belt. Continue by applying downward pressure between the clutches to measure the deflection. Proper drive belt deflection is an important factor for good transmission shifting performance. Make sure the drive belt is set to specification. If adjustment is needed, loosen the jam nut on the belt width adjuster screw. Then, turn the set screw inward or clockwise to increase the distance between the sheaves, or outward, counterclockwise, to decrease the distance. Once deflection has been set, hold the set screw stationary and tighten the jam nut. Then, torque the jam nut to specification. Recheck the belt deflection once again and repeat this process as needed. Always remember to remove the straight edge before proceeding. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.